Welcome to Adventures with Captain Ray Kelly. We go on a short adventure to the Riviera Beach Marina Village. And we did a little Mavic mini flying over Peanut Island. And we took a look at the cruise ship at the port of Palm Beach. Here's the Riviera Police Contender boat. And as you can see, the Riviera Beach Marina is a beautiful marina. This picnic table was a great place to fly from. Gave me a little shade, and I was overlooking the Peanut Island ferry dock. Here's the ferry that brings people back and forth to Peanut Island and runs every 20 minutes. It's a great little boat ride for anybody who's interested. And as we go up a little higher, you'll end up seeing the cruise port. The ferry pulled away from the dock and headed out over to Peanut Island. But as you'll see, when he pulls out of the marina, it's a little busy in the channel. And boaters must take great care when operating in the channel. But Peanut Island is a great vacation destination if and when you're in the area. But what we really like about this area is the Grand Celebration cruise ship, which is so convenient for us because we're only 10 minutes away. But there's the Palm Beach Inlet, and there's the Grand Celebration. It's a nice little ship, and it does 2-night getaways to Grand Bahama Island. I highly recommend it. But anyway, I'm glad we were able to get our Mavic mini flight in today, because I've been wanting to do it for about a week or so. And this is the city of Riviera Beach. The port of Palm Beach is one of the largest in Florida. And please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel now. I spotted this pelican on the piling, but he seemed unfazed by the Mavic Mini. I love Peanut Island. There's great swimming, snorkeling, and fishing in this whole area. And that's Singer Island off in the distance, which is another great vacation spot. And as always, thanks for watching.